Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to download WeChat in India. So, first thing that you will do is go to the Google Play Store into your device. And guys, if you are using an Apple, it will be App Store. Now, just simply tap on search at the bottom and go for the search bar at the top. And from here, just simply search for WeChat. And after that, guys, you should be able to see the WeChat application over here and tap on it and just simply tap on install. And from here, you should be able to download WeChat. So, guys, as long as you are using an Android phone, this will be available. And now you should be able to download it over here. And once it is done, you could just simply open the app and just simply sign in into your account in order for you to proceed and access the application. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like. And if you have any questions, comment down below. And thanks for watching. See ya.